How to change default USB behavior on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set what your phone does automatically each time you plug in a USB cable. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Developer Options from the list. Let me show you. From there, scroll down and tap on Default USB Configuration. At this point, a list of available USB modes will appear on your screen. In the next step, tap on Charging this device if you just want your phone to charge without transferring data. Following this, tap on Transferring files if you want file transfer enabled automatically instead. Once done, tap on any other mode listed, such as MIDI or USB tethering, depending on what you regularly use. From here, close Settings once you've selected your preferred default. Keep in mind, this setting only applies automatically when your screen is unlocked at the time you plug in the cable. Finally, come back to the same menu anytime you want to switch your default USB behavior again. And that's it. If this guide helped you change default USB behavior on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.